want to film the intro here because this is like good lighting. I'm so much dark. Can we swap spots because they're like background? No. 3, 2, 1. That was. Yeah, that's better.
Alright, welcome to the video. We're in IKEA because it's fucking pouring. I'm with my cameraman, Abdul. He's getting paid with food and that's about it. Bro, I don't give a shit, bro. Stop complaining. You're only allowed because you choose to be. Yeah, fucking eat that, Abdul. We just spent my store. No, you're right. Eggs are just chicken, period.
They are.
Like the chicken has its time of the month and it just puts out some eggs.
Let's watch some crazy stuff, yo!
Hey dude! Bye bye, yeah. Hey dude! Nope.
Jeez, Rick, oh my god! Hey, wait a minute, Rick. I thought this was a commercial. What's going on?
It's Dennis. There's an old lady behind you. Honey, I'm home.
Oh, hi, dude.
Did any of your men come over today?
Oh no, it was just little old me today.
Are you fucking sure? Because if I find out there was another man in this house...
No, honey, it was just me. I promise. I promise. Honey, I promise. I promise.
Then fuck over.
My brown curry munching brothers and sisters, we need to unite together. We need to unite together. Together we will. Someone could live in.
Reckon you could fit in that?
Michael, that's enough. Michael, I don't want to be stuck in here. Michael. Oh my god, it's the dino den. Jesus, fuck out.
Okay, don't mind me then, take this. Holy.
Alright, we left IKEA. Kinda got in trouble because we jumped on too many beds. So, we were asked politely to leave.
No, they told us to fuck off.
Shut the fuck up, Abdul. You know, so I don't know what we're doing right now. Do you know where we're going?
Mackish.
Oh, yeah, true, because you're a fat fuck. Faggot. No, we scared.
Bro, Abdul, what's your plan for Burwood, yeah?
If I find any LBGs, BBGs, or ABGs, I'm not going to be a pussy. I'm going to ask you for either a snap or Instagram.
Believe what you want, Abdul. Believe what you want.
Outside, that's mine. On my IG, they creeping. So feeble hit on the set, that's fine. Let me get to the point, no steeping. They bitter and salty shit, that's lime. Got 18 posies up in my backpack, standing my values. I'll never backtrack off of these drugs. I told her sket that I love her, no DJ. Told her to scratch that, ayy. Show you where the racks are. I ain't no sat nav, won't understand that. Wire card maxed out, come through blacked out. Asking why they act like they don't rate. Where's your honor, J? TR, we some bosses, brother. We don't wanna raise off the drink. Can't even think. Once in a lifetime, miss if you blink. Not in the sidelines, we in the ring. Wanna sit on my table, what did you?
Lovely vacuum cleaners. Michael's just gone to the bathroom, so you're stuck with me. The monkey. Oh, yeah. The white monkey has returned.
Are you vlogging right now?
No. Yes.
Oh, you retard.
Sit here. Hey. Abdul's here. I want to kill myself.
Customers on platform 2. The next train does not stop at this platform.
Allah Akbar! Allah Akbar! Oh!